Hello guys, welcome back to our iMyFone channel. You must be very familiar with this interface, right? When you can't upload or restore your iPad, you need to put it into recovery mode. However, sometimes you find that your iPad gets stuck on recovery mode after you entered it, and you can't get it out of recovery mode no matter what you do. Therefore, you cannot use your iPad normally. Don't worry about it anymore. Today, let's talk about how to fix an iPad that's stuck on recovery mode. I'll show you 3 workable ways without any data loss. Solution number 1. Force restart your iPad to exit recovery mode. It's very easy to operate. If your iPad doesn't have a home button, you need to press the volume up button and release. Press the volume down button and release it, then press and hold the power button until the iPad is restarted. If the iPad you use has a home button, try to press and hold the home and the top button until you see the Apple logo screen. Now you can input your screen passcode, enter the home screen, and use your iPad. But in some cases, your iPad may not restart and still can't exit recovery mode. Then you can use imyfonefixppo to help you exit recovery mode in one click. Solution number 2. One click to exit recovery mode. This is the most effective way. Search imyfone.com and download iMyFoneFixppo. Open it and click Enter Exit Recovery Mode. Hit Next and exit recovery mode. Just wait a few seconds. Your iPad will exit recovery mode successfully. Solution number 3. Fix iPad stuck on recovery mode with iMyFoneFixppo. If the above way is still not useful for your iPad, then it means your iPad has system issues. You can use the standard mode of iMyFoneFixppo to fix your iPad within minutes. Click on Standard Mode, then hit Next. Then download the proper firmware. Just sit down and wait for a while. After the firmware is downloaded, click on Start to Repair System. Finally, wait a moment. Your iPad system will be repaired. What's more, in fact, iTunes can also be a choice for you to repair your system. But it's not the best choice because it will cause data loss. So in this video, we don't recommend iTunes. Now, today's sharing is over. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. See you next time. Bye!